Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English notes step by step. First, immerse yourself in the language. Start by building a strong foundation with essential grammar and a core vocabulary. Listen to English every day, even if you don't understand everything. Reading simple stories will also help you recognize words and sentence structures naturally. Consistency is key for effective learning. Next, engage in active practice. Don't be afraid to speak English out loud, even to yourself. Writing helps solidify grammar and vocabulary. Try keeping a journal or writing short stories. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing new words and phrases efficiently. Remember, making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process, so embrace them. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, learning English can be tough on your feet, so why not treat them right? Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To truly accelerate your progress, immerse yourself. Watch your favorite movies and TV shows in English, starting with subtitles and gradually removing them. Find a language exchange partner to practice real conversations. There are many fantastic online resources and apps available that offer structured lessons and interactive exercises. Make learning fun and engaging. As you advance, challenge yourself further. Move on to more complex English literature and news articles to expand your vocabulary and comprehension. Try to think directly in English instead of translating from your native language. Setting clear, achievable goals, like learning 20 new words a week or having a 5-minute conversation, will keep you motivated and on track.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.